Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about can I restrict access to certain features or function within a virtual data room. Yes, you can typically restrict access to certain features or functions within a virtual data room VDR by using the permission and access control settings provided by the VDR software or platform. Virtual data rooms are commonly used for secure document sharing and collaborations, especially in contexts like mergers and acquisitions, legal and due diligence, financial transactions, and other sensitive data exchange. Controlling access to specific features or functions is essential to maintain security and confidentiality. Here are some common ways to achieve this. Users, roles, and permission. Most video platforms allow you to assign different user roles within varying level of access. Common rules include administrators, viewers, contributors, and auditors. Each role can have specific permissions that dictate what actions users can take within the VDR. Document level permissions. You can offer set permissions at the document level, specifying which users or groups can view, edit, download, print, or perform other actions on specific documents. This is crucial for controlling who can access sensitive files. Folder level permissions. Some VDRs offer folder level permissions, allowing you to control access to entire folders or sections of the data room. This is useful for organizing and securing content within the VDR. Time-based access. You can set expiration dates for user access to specific documents or the entire data room. This is particularly useful for temporary projects or when you need to revoke access after a certain period. Watermarking and document tracking. Some videos offer features like dynamic watermarking, which asks users specific watermarks to download or printed documents. Additionally, document tracking can monitor who views or interacts with the specific documents. Activity logs and reports. Videos often provided detailed activity logs and reports, allowing administrators to track users' actions and access history. This helps in auditing and monitoring users' behavior. Two-factor authentication to FA. Enabling to FA adds an extra layer of security to ensure that only authorized users can access the VDR. Users must provide a second form of authentication, such as a one-time code from a mobile app or a hardware token, in addition to their passport. Restricting features. Depending on the video software, you may be able to restrict certain features or functions for specific users or rules. For example, you could limit the ability to download documents or disable printing for certain users.